Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So, you still want to support your artists? Well, I found a solution. There's a homepage called bandcamp.com where the artist gets about 90% of the cut. So, I'd suggest, if it's at all possible, when you buy your music, at least if you're streaming, that you go to bandcamp.com and support your artist so your artist can grow more compared to services like Spotify, Tidal, or maybe just buying your music over eBay or even downloading your music, I don't know, illegally. Try and support your artist directly, because when you're using services like Tidal and Spotify, the artists are only getting about 5, 10, 15% of the cut. And it's a pity, because if you ever want to really see a lot more material from your artist, then you should really consider using this page. And I've used it several times, for example with Buckethead and other artists. And yeah, you can always stream the music, or even when you download it, you can convert it to a CD and it still sounds very good. So here, for example, this is an album, 5 songs, $2, very cheap, very, very affordable. And yeah, just try and support your artist if it's possible. Have a nice day. Bye.